12,000 pound axle repair kit for 12,000 pound Dexter axles. This kit comes with 2 of the 12,000 pound hub and drums, 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern with the 4.75 hub on it. So you can run 16-inch dual tires and wheels, or 17.5-inch super single wheels, or 17.5-inch dual wheels. It also comes with 2 of the 21-36 oil caps. Also comes with the 12.25 by 5-inch electric brake assembly, the driver's side and the passenger side. This kit also includes the outer bearings, which are the 28682 outer bearings, the inner bearings, which are the 3984s, and 2 of the 10-56 oil seals. It also includes 16 of the 5/8 cone nuts and 2 of the tension wheel rings. You can buy this kit online at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Thank you.